In 2026, most WhatsApp hacking tool claims are myths, but real risks like phishing and network attacks remain. Stay safe, update your devices, use two-factor authentication, and avoid suspicious links. Here are the facts about 10 so-called WhatsApp hacking tools and how to protect yourself. Crash attacks use specially crafted messages to crash WhatsApp on target devices. Some tools can inject payloads like commands to export chats or media. To stay safe, always update WhatsApp and avoid opening suspicious messages or files. Most crash attacks need user interaction, so be cautious with unexpected messages. WA Payload Embedder hides malicious payloads in files like PDFs or videos sent via WhatsApp, testing which formats can bypass security. To stay safe, don't open unexpected files, enable WhatsApp security notifications, and use encrypted backups. Always verify files before opening to protect your account. WhatsApp Profile OSINT collects public metadata from WhatsApp accounts, such as profile photos, about status, business indicators, linked devices, and privacy settings. To limit exposure, set your last seen, profile photo, about, and status to My Contacts or Nobody in privacy options. Regularly check and remove unknown devices from your linked devices list to protect your account. WhatsApp Activity Tracker is an automation tool that monitors user activity on WhatsApp, logging online and offline status, typing indicators, and last seen changes. This data can reveal typical online hours and usage frequency. To reduce exposure, disable last seen, online status, and read receipts in WhatsApp privacy settings. Turning off typing indicators further limits what others can observe. Regularly review your privacy settings to protect your information. Unofficial WhatsApp clients like WhatsApp Plus and GB WhatsApp offer extra features but come with serious risks. These apps can expose your device to malware, data leaks, and unauthorized access. Using unofficial clients may also get your WhatsApp account suspended or banned. For your safety, always use the official WhatsApp app from trusted sources like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. QRL jacking targets WhatsApp web by tricking users into scanning fake QR codes, allowing attackers to hijack sessions and access messages. To protect yourself, only scan QR codes from official WhatsApp sites and never from unknown sources. Enable two-step verification and regularly check your linked devices for any unauthorized access. Stay alert for suspicious activity and report anything unusual to WhatsApp support immediately. WA Session Dumper is a cybersecurity assessment tool that enables extraction and replay of WhatsApp's multi-device session tokens. It is primarily used by ethical hackers and security professionals to evaluate the effectiveness of WhatsApp's session management and to identify potential weaknesses in token handling. The tool simulates scenarios where session tokens may be compromised, allowing testers to determine if unauthorized access can persist after detection of suspicious activity. To mitigate risks, regularly review your linked devices in WhatsApp and immediately remove any unfamiliar devices. Enable biometric authentication, such as face or fingerprint unlock, to strengthen account security. If suspicious activity is detected, use the Log Out Everywhere function and reset your sessions to secure your account. Consistently monitor your account activity and security settings to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. WA Media Exfiltrator is a cybersecurity utility developed to assess vulnerabilities in WhatsApp's media file processing. The tool embeds payloads within image, video, or audio files to demonstrate how malicious code can be concealed in standard media formats. Security professionals use WA Media Exfiltrator to evaluate the robustness of messaging platforms and to illustrate risks associated with media file transfers. To mitigate exposure, disable auto-download for all media types in WhatsApp settings. This allows manual review before files are saved to your device. Carefully inspect files prior to downloading. Pay attention to unexpected file extensions, irregular file names, or prompts that do not match typical behavior. Exercise caution with files from unknown contacts or group chats. Treat all unverified files as potential threats until confirmed safe. Remote WA Simulator is a suite of bash scripts intended for simulating remote command execution within linked WhatsApp sessions. This tool is primarily utilized in authorized cybersecurity assessments to analyze the persistence of access in WhatsApp environments. Its main features include the ability to emulate remote command scenarios and evaluate whether session persistence can be maintained after logout events. To mitigate risks, use the official WhatsApp application and enable security measures such as app lock or biometric authentication. Monitor for indicators of compromise, including unexpected battery usage, abnormal network activity, or reduced device performance. Regularly review app permissions and background activity settings to limit unnecessary access. If suspicious activity is detected, reset WhatsApp sessions and update your password to enhance account security. In this section, we examine WA Token Grabber, a tool referenced in cybersecurity research and red team operations. WA Token Grabber is engineered to capture WhatsApp authentication tokens by utilizing phishing techniques or man-in-the-middle attacks. Its primary use is in controlled environments to evaluate the resilience of authentication workflows and identify potential weaknesses. The typical attack vector involves users interacting with deceptive login links delivered via SMS, email, or untrusted websites, which can result in credential compromise. Defensive measures include verifying the authenticity of any message requesting account verification or login through unfamiliar links. Always confirm the legitimacy of website addresses and only enter credentials or scan QR codes on the official WhatsApp platform. Enabling two-step verification is recommended to strengthen account security. This additional layer of protection helps mitigate risks associated with token compromise. If two-step verification is not yet enabled, it is advisable to activate it promptly. Phishing remains a prevalent threat, relying on social engineering rather than technical vulnerabilities. Maintaining awareness and applying security best practices are effective strategies for account protection. If a message or link appears suspicious, verify its source before proceeding. Consistent vigilance and adherence to security protocols are essential for safeguarding digital assets. This chapter provides a summary of the 10 tools commonly referenced in the context of WhatsApp security in 2026. These include social engineering kits, phishing frameworks, vulnerability scanners, exploit tools targeting outdated applications, and utilities for testing privacy configurations. Each tool is designed for a specific function, such as simulating phishing attacks, identifying weak privacy settings, or probing for unpatched vulnerabilities. Their effectiveness is influenced by user awareness and the security posture of the target environment. Common attack vectors include malicious links, outdated software, and installation of unofficial applications. Defensive strategies should focus on minimizing exposure to these risks. Maintain up-to-date applications, use only official sources for downloads, and exercise caution with unsolicited messages or links. Adhering to established security practices significantly reduces the likelihood of compromise. Always verify the authenticity of applications and download WhatsApp exclusively from trusted app stores. Regularly review and adjust privacy settings to limit unnecessary exposure and mitigate risk from unsolicited content. Enable built-in security features, such as two-factor authentication, to strengthen account protection. Rely primarily on WhatsApp's integrated security mechanisms rather than third-party security applications. Use of these tools should be limited to authorized security assessments and research within legal and ethical boundaries. Unauthorized testing or access attempts are traceable and may result in legal consequences. Potential outcomes include account suspension, device confiscation, and legal action. Ethical hackers are encouraged to use their expertise to promote security awareness and assist others in adopting secure practices. Prioritize defense and education, contributing to a more secure digital environment for all users.